Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cool. I swear anything's better than you. Catch you on the flip side, catch you on the flip side.
Nasundo kami na car ng 6:30 and papunta kami dun sa port. Yung biyahe is for 30 minutes. Yan, papunta dun sa port kung saan tayo sasakay ng bangka papunta sa Apo, which will take another 30 minutes to. Early morning, gising kami ng 5:30. Get ready. We booked this sa Messenger. We tried to find an affordable and reasonable tour that we can actually join. Per head is 2,200 and then additional na 300 per person for the snorkeling guide, mask and snorkel, life vest, aqua shoes, booties, aqua shoes. No? So, para siya it's a package rate additional. Pero if you are bringing your own equipment, tapos marunong ka namang way that you don't need a life jacket, so siguro pwede mo skip naman na yun.
Unexpectedly, ang tagal pala namin maghihintay dito. After a while, we were starting to get impatient kasi hindi rin namin alam kung may hinihintay pa ba kami or wala. We kept asking our tour operator kung anong oras darating yung mga kasama namin. Pero ang sagot lang lagi, wait lang po, papunta na sila. Later on, saka na lang nila sinabi na nag-cancel pala yung supposedly kasama namin. So they asked us if we were willing to pay extra para makaalis na kami at kaming dalawa na lang sa tour. Pero syempre, we weren't willing to pay more kasi ang expectation namin, sakto na yung binayad namin. Sabi nila, if we're not willing to pay, then we'd have to wait for a walk-in group na papayag na isali kami. By this time, we were just really hoping na tama yung decision namin. Finally, after more than an hour, may couple na dumating. At first, parang hesitant sila. Siguro gusto nila, solo nila yung boat. Pero after they discussed, buti na lang they agreed to let us join them. Super thankful kami doon.
So after more than 1.5 hours.
By the way, this small boat costs 3,500, good for 1 to 4 persons na. So if you're a walk-in, ito talaga yung rate na babayaran. Since we were splitting, they paid 1,750 and the other half was covered by our tour operator kasi fully paid na kami sa kanila. Although we were kinda disappointed with what happened, naisip ko na maybe may reason kung bakit nangyari to sa amin. I'm hoping na sana may silver lining sa lahat ng hassle kasi sayang talaga yung oras namin. Nagising pa kami ng maaga just to wait that long. Pero at least, the fact na natuloy pa rin kami, thankful na rin ako doon. Once we got to the island, may mga groups na agad na nagsusnorkel sa area kung saan yung mga turtles. Yung couple na kasama namin were a bit hesitant kasi ayaw nila ng crowd, which was fine with us kasi same kami. So, kuya suggested na pumunta kami sa likod ng island. Pero kailangan pa ng isang boat ride worth 1,500, split into 4 kung gusto naming sumama. At first, yung foreigner guy, parang ayaw niya kaming i-pressure kasi sila lang naman daw talaga yung may gusto. Pero honestly, kahit hindi pa niya tinatanong, gusto na rin namin talagang sumama kasi feeling namin, hindi magiging maganda yung footage kung sasabay kami sa dami ng tao sa Turtles area. And syempre, minsan lang kami makakapunta dito sa Apo Island, so might as well sulitin na.
Down there, in lock here. Like that. The lock. Can jump first. Maybe like that.
So, the feeling card, sir. I'll just hold here. I'll just pull it. Don't pull it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You're the receiver. So, you
Ready, ma'am?
all
1,
of you
2,
follow
3.
me, ha? How do I do?
If you've watched my previous vlog, noong nasa Katikugan kami, very similar yung experience except that dito, iba't ibang klase ng corals naman ang makikita mo. So it's kind of a different view, pero yung tubig is mababaw din.
I've been alone too long. Gotta learn how to walk with my shadow. I've been so low in my lane. They showed up out of nowhere, damn. Now I got a halo. So keep up. I'm saying, but the praying I keep up. Don't let up on me. I know you're waiting so patiently. I've been on the way for long. Got everything into place. Only thing I'm missing is seeing you face to face. Gotta tell you what you need to know. Tell you what you need to know. That you are all I want. You are all I want. Please don't leave. Cause the time is running out. And the lives are running out.
Dito sa part na to, konti lang yung nakuha kong footage kasi I just enjoyed the moment. Naglaro lang, nag-float, nanood ng mga isda. Ang ganda lang kasing pagmasdan ng marine life. Sobrang yaman natin sa ganitong bagay. Mababaw lang pero ang dami mong makikita.
Perfect girl, you fit every niche. I'm like, can you even be so cold? Yeah, can I be the one you hold? Cause I've been all the way for long. Got everything into place. Only thing I'm missing is seeing you face to face. Tell you what you need to know. Tell you what you need to know. You are all I want. Please don't leave. Cause the time is running out. And the lives are running out. Don't leave. I'll explain and show you how for you. You know that I'm rushing over to you. Keep your head up, I'm on my way. Don't you worry. You know that I'm rushing over to you. Keep your head up, I'm on my way. Don't you worry. No matter what, I'ma find a way to save the day, whatever it takes. I know I made it hard to say, but please don't throw it all away. I can see you standing there, I'm so close. So baby, please don't leave.
May part na lulusong ka between the rocks para makarating ka sa other side kung saan yung boat babalik.
You know that I'm rushing over to you. Keep it up, I'm on my way. Don't you worry. You know that I'm rushing over to you. Keep it up, I'm on my way. Don't you worry.
This experience is really a must-try.
Cause the time is running out. And the lives are running out. Don't leave. I'll explain and show you how for you. All day, got me going insane. I parlay every second when I go into your lane. I need more. Limitless space, I'm out of my reach. You're too perfect, girl. You fit every niche. I'm like, can you even be so cold? Yeah, can I be the one you hold? Cause I've been on the way for long. Got everything into place.
Mas maraming nagpupunta on the other side. But Sabi ni Kuya, may dito yung maraming coral. And sure enough, marami nga talaga rin po.
Kahit anong ipakita ko sa video, hindi sapat para ma-appreciate nyo yung beauty ng lugar in real life. And as you can see, wala kaming kasabay. Kaming 4 lang plus si Kuya.
Tonight, throw that thing from left, right, side to side. Yeah. All my friends are here, playing my favorite song right on top. Yeah.
Pagbalik namin sa island, umorder kami ng lunch. And then habang naghihintay, napansin namin na yung big group hindi pa rin nasa-serve. So we decided na mag-swimming muna and check out the turtles.
Sayang kasi oras.
The moment I saw a turtle up close, sobrang saya at amazed ako. First time ko yata makakita ng ganun ka-close. Nung nasa Bohol ako, sobrang daming tao na puro mga paalang ng snorkelers yung mga nakikita ko. This time, solo namin yung area. Kaya tuloy gusto ko matutong mag-free dive. Sana by our next adventure, marunong na ako.
All my friends are here, playing my favorite song right on time.
Grabe, hanggang ngayon, excited pa rin akong kwento. Malapit namin sa turtle. Tapos, wala pang ibang tao.
Let me hear you say I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Let me hear you say I'm ready. Come on, now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Yeah, I said I wanna hear you slide, slide, slide. Yeah, come on now, now, now. I said I wanna hear you slide, slide, slide. I wanna see you. I wanna see you. So let me hear you say. I said I wanna hear you.
After lunch, bumalik kami ulit. And ang swerte kasi nakakita na naman kami. Minsan hindi mo agad sila mapapansin kasi blend yung kulay nila sa paligid tapos medyo malabo pa yung tubig. I don't know if palagi lang silang nandito, na every time na pupunta ka is nandito lang sila. Pero yung masolo namin sila makes me feel so lucky. Hindi ako nagsasawang panoorin sila. It's one of those experiences na alam mong tatatak talaga. It's definitely a highlight of this trip. Nakita ba ako? At the end of the day, masasabi ko na super fulfilling yung araw. Kahit may aberya sa umaga, looking back, I'm thankful. Thankful na naghintay kami. Thankful na the couple suggested going to the other side of the island. thankful na we decided to swim during lunch kaya na-solo namin yung turtles. This day reminded me that sometimes the things we see as bad experiences can actually lead to even better ones.
Hi! We just got back. Mga 3 o'clock may nakabalik sa hotel. Naligo muna. Hindi na kami naligo dun sa port kasi medyo wala namang equipment. Parang magbabanlaw ka lang din naman. And hindi gaano sanitary yung place. Lalo na yung swimsuit ko kasi mahirap siyang tanggalin. Kaya nagpa-drop na lang din ulit kami sa hotel. Tapos we're now going to the souvenir shop muna and check kung anong mabibili namin doon. Pero I was able to buy already 3 t-shirts sa Apo Island at saka isang ref magnet for myself. Ang observation ko lang dito sa Dumaguete, dito lang siguro sa town proper. Kasi kanina, while we were on the way dun sa work, kung saan tayo sumakay papuntang Apo Island, may 30 minutes drive doon. Mas maluwag yung daan, 2 lanes each way. Pero dito, sa parang city proper, mga 1 lane lang. And I think may mga daan na 1 way only. Good thing we're not driving. Nakakalito siguro to drive here. Tapos marami din sasakyan. Not like Siquijor din na it's very ideal na to rent a motorcycle. Ayun. So since we haven't bought anything from the souvenir shop, we're going ahead na. Kasi hindi ko alam kasi kung paano yung transportation. May iba-ibang color yung tricycle eh. Saan? Sa Sans Rival po. Ito yung parang pier. Ay, ito na pala. Ito na pala. Okay, we're here. Yung pamasahe pala, by the way, was 30 pesos. Sans Rival Place. Look at this. So, ganito pala yung Sans Rival. So, we just got a slice. 1 slice of butter Sans Rival. Just for us to try kasi babalik din naman kami bukas para magpampasalubong. Before we go sana bukas, alam na namin kung ano yung bibili namin. So, it's one of the pasalubong or souvenirs that we plan to get before heading to the airport bukas. Since it's a food item kasi we wanted to make it as a last stop for our tour tomorrow. We rented a car online. Parang DIY namin lahat ng mga Valencia and Twin Lakes for tomorrow. Para sulit na sulit talaga yung biyahe namin dito sa Dumaguete. Right now, we're going to have dinner sa Lantaw ulit. Nagustuhan ko talaga yung scallops kasi it's also one of the things na hindi ko na try doon instead of trying other restaurants or other yung gusto ko delicacy to try talaga. For 2 consecutive days, we're eating sa Lantaw. Habang fresh pa ang ating Sans Rival, let's try it. Sabi ko isang bike. Inubos ko na yung top layer. Sarap siya. Bagay ito sa kape. Let's go back to Tao. This time, medyo maaga pa tayo. So, kahapon, sobrang dami ng puno niyan. Puno ito, and then we waited for a while. Siguro mga 10 minutes wait lang naman. Pero, as you can see, medyo malaki na nga yung area eh. Tapos, puno pa, diba? So, for ito lang po. Yan, it. Now you can see the details na, diba? So, parang mga bilao, different bilaos nasa ceiling, and then yung ceiling naman yung nasa nandoon is parang yung sa mga rocking chair, tables, chairs, Leia, if I'm not mistaken, yun ang tawag doon. And meron pa silang area dito. Siguro parang pwede na siguro i-enclose yan for a private occasion. May boat pala na nakasama. Hindi natin masyadong appreciate lang kagabi. And malaking salamin to view the sea. So definitely we will order scallops again. This is the spicy scallops and lechon kawali. So it's one of the reasons kung bakit ko gustong pumunta dito. It's because of the spicy scallops. Kasi nga, walang masyadong scallops dish na makikita sa amin. And might as well try hanggang sa magsawa. Kaso 2 days na hindi pa ako magsasawa sa lagay na. Ito nga siyang squid ball, para siyang ano yun yung squid ball? Squid ball. It's not the sauce lang eh. Ulit yung kawali naman, parang half part is naman na ganito. Then the other half is parang yung merong balat and fat. So let's try the lechon kawali. Umulam yung scallops. And we also ordered pala sizzling squid. I almost forgot. Pero ayan siya. It's dinner. It's dinner time na kasi. Kanina, maaga kami. We arrived at 5:30 dito. Tapos ngayong paalis na kami. Ay, ang dami ng tao. And karamihan large groups, no? Kasi may mga nag-graduate yata. Minsan may nakasabit pang medals. Tapos may flowers sa bitbit. So, maraming nag-celebrate ng graduation. Okay, so nandito na tayo actually.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya?
Park and go.
I'm just on my way
May
back
park
home,
and
little
go.
drunk and alone, but I'd rather take ya. Even though it's Friday night,
Ano
and I
nakalagay
got no
dito?
plans tomorrow. Could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow.
The reason kung bakit nag-stop ako nag-video is bawal daw video sa loob. But we're currently in the 2nd floor. Wala naman si Kuya Guard dito.
Forget
And
your rules.
as we've searched, ito lang yung CBTL daw dito sa Dumaguete. So akala ko ayun.
Forget your truth. You're just cool.
Ayun. This apparently has a view of both Siquijor and Cebu. So siguro kapag ka-daytime mas makikita. Siyempre wala ka naman makikita pagka gabi.
Funny how it works sometimes.
Curious tuloy ako ano ba view dito pagka umaga.
Town all the sleepless nights until things got worse. You're so manipulative, trying to convince me of the but it didn't work.
Anong painting ba? Painting ba yan? Basta it's an art something that I really and appreciate. I appreciate ya.
All you want, baby.